Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that's very honest. As many of you know, I have been on a journey to lose weight, and this journey I have measured myself by the success that's been on the scale. Well, I was 2 pounds away from my goal weight this past week, and I gained 2 pounds. But I didn't panic this time, and I didn't feel defeated because I feel great in my body, and I actually gained muscle and lost weight. So these last few pounds just really have not moved like the pounds were moving before. And I feel like my body is saying, Lanice, it's time to just let this be your set point because I do feel great. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Lanice and I am a registered nurse, but more importantly than that, I am a woman in midlife who found myself feeling very different in my body. I had gained about 35 pounds, and I gained it very quickly over a couple of years. And I really struggled, and I began my journey with Zepbound July of last year, which has been about 7 months now. And so I'm down approximately 25 to 27 pounds, and these last month or so, I literally have not been able to lose weight. But what I'm finding is that I'm gaining muscle and I'm losing fat. And so I'm okay. That number on the scale is just a number anymore. Now, and it's not something that I'm really focusing on. Right now, what I'm focusing on is maintenance. So I spoke with my doctor a few weeks ago, and we talked about where do we go from here. And so I am still on 2.5 milligrams of Zepbound. I never increased the dosage, and I lost weight with that. So I'm just gonna stay there, and I may go to every 2 weeks versus every week, and then even go to once a month, but we're gonna have to see what happens. I still, every day, take my walks. My goal is to continue to build muscle from where I am right now, and not so much focus on the number on the scale. I will get on the scale every couple of days because it is kind of an idea of where I am, but more importantly, I actually will get on the bio-impedance scale and do my body fat percentage and my muscle percentages just to make sure that my body is going in the right direction. But I will tell you that I feel stronger. I can run an entire block from the stop sign to my house and not feel winded. Probably could do more than that. My joints don't ache anymore when I'm walking. I feel lighter. I can do push-ups, on the floor actually. I can do push-ups and not feel winded. I've been doing more isometric exercises over the past few weeks versus going to the gym because it is that time of the year where everyone is at the gym, and the gym that I go to, it's kind of hard to get on the equipment when it's crowded. And so I knew this month, January, would be a very, very crowded month, so I really haven't been to the gym. I've been doing isometric exercises like calf raises, wall sits, push-ups, and things like that. There are some other things that I do as well to build muscle. So I've been gaining muscle and losing fat, and I feel great. I feel the best I've felt in a long time. So I will say, if you're taking Zepbound or Ozempic or Mounjaro or any of the GLP-1s, focus on building muscle. And one of the key things that I had to do to help build muscle was to make sure I keep an eye on my protein intake. So for breakfast, I may have Greek yogurt, eggs, things to make sure I get about 30 grams of protein in. Then at lunch, I'll have a clean protein like tuna and on a salad. And then again at dinner, if I don't feel like eating, too much at dinner, I may have a protein shake. But for the most part, I'll have meat and a vegetable, and maybe even rice or quinoa. So I've been really focusing on building muscle and getting stronger versus the number on the scale, because it can be somewhat misleading if you don't have a bio-impedance scale or a biometric scale that shows you, did I gain muscle, did I lose fat, because that's the right direction to go in. So my goal is to continue there and just maintain where I am. I'm around 167. I started out around 194, And so I'm down to 167, and I feel, like I said, good at this weight. I don't feel too small, but I do feel like myself again. I feel healthy. I have energy. I'm sleeping well. And so this journey for me has been a good journey. And I just want to see where it goes from here. I will keep you posted on maintenance. And my goal is to maintain where I am and not gain the weight back, of course, but to continue to build muscle and lose fat. If you have any questions about my GLP-1 journey, my Zepbound journey, feel free to leave a comment below. And I will definitely be keeping you posted on what maintenance looks like for me, if I'm going to continue to take medication once a week, go to every 2 weeks, and maybe even once a month, which I've discussed with my doctor. And we'll just see what happens. I know what I've been told happens. The weight comes back if you don't continue to work out and watch the foods that we're eating. So we'll see. I'm looking forward to seeing what maintenance looks like for me. If you have any questions, again, place them in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me with viewership. When you like, subscribe, leave a comment. So thank you for watching. Take care, and I hope you're doing well on your journey as well.